it is possible to edit an existing content element once you've created it. For example, you might need to replace an image on your home page with a new one, or perhaps you spotted a spelling error in a block of text and need to correct it before your boss finds out. It is also possible to change a content element's type. You could have a regular text content element and want to add an image that sits next to it. To do this, we need to change the content element's type from regular text element to text and images. In this short video, we're going to do two things. First, we'll look at how to edit existing content elements, and then we'll look at how to change a content element to a different type. So I have one content element on my page. It's a regular text content element with quite a lot of text and quite a few type-in errors. To begin, I want to edit the text inside my content element, and there are two ways I can do this. I can begin by just clicking on the text itself, which will start the editing process. Or I can select the edit icon to start editing the text. Also note two additional options. The first hides the content in the front end so that it's not visible to the public, and the second icon will delete our content and move it to the recycler. So let's start editing and make our changes. Now, I don't know who wrote this, but they seem to have mistyped the word pizza a few times. And what's even more concerning to me is that they've spelled personalized with a Z. So I've made my changes and I've saved them. I've now decided I want to add an image next to my text, and I know there's a content element called text and images that will do the job perfectly. Again, I edit my content element. This time I select the content element type drop-down and then select text and images. And now the Images tab is available, and I can add my new image. I quickly add my image, and then I position it.